Are you looking for the best shop vacs? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best shop vacs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Craftsman 16-gallon shop vac. If you need a machine that can handle some hefty tasks, this large capacity pick from Craftsman may just be your new best friend. With its 6.5 horsepower motor and 16-gallon tank, this electric-corded Craftsman shop vac can do a whole lot. It saved me during a flood that otherwise could have led to catastrophic damage to my basement, says one tester who evaluated the machine at her home over the course of 6 months. Whether you're pumping water or vacuuming dry debris, our experts found that this model delivers impressive dry and wet vacuuming, aided by its flexible hose. Thanks to a built-in blower port, you can easily take it outside to clear small piles of leaves and grass clippings from the garage or driveway. Other convenience features include onboard organizers for the hose, accessories and power cord, as well as an oversized drain plug, essential when sucking up large spills. Just note that it does take up a lot of storage space. Power type: electric corded, airflow, 190.8 CFM, capacity, 16 gallons, hose length, 7 feet, weight, 26 pounds. Number 2. Vacmaster Pro 8-gallon certified Hepa filtration wet/dry vac. From our extensive testing of traditional vacuums and air purifiers, we know that high-efficiency particulate air, Hepa, filters are best at capturing dust and dirt. So if you'll be using your shop vac to clean up a lot of dusty job sites, it's important to find a model with true Hepa filtration. In order to make the true Hepa claim, it must be able to capture and retain 99.97% of all contaminants down to 0.3 microns in particle size. This 8-gallon Vacmaster fits the bill, making it a great pick for home renovations, woodworking and other projects that generate a lot of airborne dust. The model has great suction power to help too. It's capable of tackling 125 cubic feet per minute. It's one of the heavier models on our list, so you may not want to reach for this one unless you have a serious job on your hands. On the upside, though, our experts like the longer than average 10-foot hose and 30-foot power cord for impressive reach. Power type: electric corded, airflow, 125 CFM, capacity, 8 gallons, hose length, 10 feet, weight, 27.71 pounds. Number 3. Craftsman CMZEV B17040 gallon 5.0 peak HP wet/dry vac. The Craftsman CMZEV B17040 wet/dry vac features a 5.0 peak HP motor, delivering exceptional suction power for both wet and dry cleaning tasks. Its compact 4-gallon size makes it ideal for smaller spaces without sacrificing performance. Versatile and portable. Designed with portability in mind, this vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for use in the garage, workshop, home, or even for automotive cleaning. Whether you're cleaning up dust, debris, or liquids, this vac handles it all. Complete cleaning kit. Included with the vac are essential attachments, including a 1 7/8 inches x 7 feet POSI lock hose, car nozzle, utility nozzle, dusting brush, and 2 extension wands. These versatile tools allow you to reach tight spaces and thoroughly clean all areas, from floors to upholstery. Easy storage and organization. Keep all your accessories conveniently stored with the built-in organization caddy. The caddy ensures quick access and simple storage, so you're always ready for your next cleaning job. Durable and dependable. Crafted for durability, this wet/dry vac comes with a high-performance cartridge filter and is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, offering peace of mind for your purchase. Compatibility. This wet/dry vac works with Craftsman Genuine Vac Filters CMX CVB 38740 and CMX CVB 38741 for added convenience and optimal filtration. Number 4. Peak HP wet/dry vacuum. The Vacmaster Professional Beast Series wet/dry vacuum is equipped with a 5.5 peak HP motor, providing powerful suction for both wet and dry messes. This high-performance vacuum is designed to tackle tough cleaning tasks, making it an essential tool for any workshop, garage, or home. Compact yet robust. Despite its 5-gallon capacity, this vacuum maintains a compact design that is easy to store and transport. Perfect for handling everything from everyday messes to larger debris, it offers professional-grade cleaning in a manageable size. Versatile cleaning attachments. Included are a range of attachments, including a hose, utility nozzle, crevice tool, and extension wands, giving you the flexibility to clean a variety of surfaces, from floors to tight corners. Whether you're cleaning up spills or dust, this vac has you covered. Durable and reliable. Built to last, the Vacmaster Beast series features rugged construction, designed to withstand demanding environments and frequent use. The vacuum's sturdy design and powerful suction ensure reliable performance for years to come. Convenient storage and accessory organization. Keep your workspace neat with the built-in accessory storage. The vacuum's design allows for easy organization of hoses and attachments, making them readily available whenever you need them. Perfect for heavy-duty use. Ideal for home renovations, automotive cleaning, or shop tasks. The 5.5 peak HP motor ensures that no job is too big or too small for this vacuum to handle. Number 5. Vacmaster VF4008 4-gallon wet/dry vacuum. The Vacmaster VF408 wet/dry vacuum cleaner is equipped with a powerful 2-stage motor that provides exceptional suction power for both wet and dry debris. Designed for high performance, this vacuum offers efficient cleaning for a variety of tasks, from general home maintenance to workshop cleanups. Compact yet mighty. With a 4-gallon capacity, this vacuum strikes the perfect balance between portability and performance. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport, while still offering enough capacity for typical cleaning needs around the home or garage. Versatile cleaning attachments. This model comes with a selection of useful attachments, including a 1 1/4 x 7 feet hose, utility nozzle, crevice tool, and extension wands, ensuring you're ready to tackle a wide range of cleaning jobs. From floors to tight corners, the VF408 offers a versatile solution for all your cleaning needs. Durable and reliable performance. Built with durability in mind, the Vacmaster VF408 is designed for long-lasting use. The robust construction and 2-stage motor ensure strong suction power and effective debris collection with every use. Convenient storage and organization. Stay organized with the integrated accessory storage on the vacuum. Keep all your tools and attachments securely in place, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Perfect for home, garage, and workshop. Whether you're cleaning up after a home improvement project, tidying up your garage, or maintaining a workshop, the Vacmaster VF408 is the perfect tool for a variety of tasks.